how do we address you? As Steve, or maybe I don't know anything else.
Steve is great.
Steve is great. Okay. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
That's good. Even I'm doing excellent. And how can I assist you?
So I've kind of maxed out some career things and career path choices in my life recently. Um, I'm 40 years old, and here I am now with kind of at a dead end of my career, which I could kind of choose to continue on the same path with some kind of like they call them golden handcuffs, where my pay is very well and I could stay with it and ride it out till retirement. But I have 15 years until that can happen.
So at that time you'll be 55.
Correct.